Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Today's topic is pretty interesting and highly useful, especially if you have a business or a professional identity. Most of us probably started our email journey with Gmail. We all have that familiar, standard Gmail address. But the problem is, you can't use that everyday Gmail everywhere. It's just too common.
When I say business email, I mean something professional. If you look at your inbox, you might see emails like contact@napkin.ai or info@kalanpurrunners, pro, BD. These aren't your standard Gmails. These are what we call business emails. Now, the question is, why do you even need a business email? Simply put, a business email builds credibility, enhances trust, and drastically improves security. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create one. To do this, we need two things. First, a domain. Second, a business email hosting service. Now, we don't always get domains for free. Usually, you have to buy them. But since today's video is for those who are just starting their professional journey, you can set up your entire business email completely for free. For the domain, we will be using Ready. First, because it's free forever. Second, it's incredibly easy to get. You won't have to jump through any hoops. So, let's get started. First, go to Google and search for ready.bd. Click on the first link. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. I'm going to log into my account now. After logging in, you'll see right down here it says forever free, no credit card required. Activation is almost instant, and you get full DNS control. But we don't need to worry about all that right now. Let's just search for a domain name for your business to see if it's available. I'm typing in X dimension, selecting Pro, BD, and hitting search. It looks like that one is unavailable, but there are other options. Let me try searching for MVP, BD. Yes, this one is available, which means I can claim it. Now, if you click on Claim Now, you'll notice a user policy that says, domain can be claimed for any name, but usage must be personal. Commercial use will result in immediate suspension. But don't worry, since we are only using this domain to host a professional email, you won't get banned. One quick tip. If you try to claim a domain right after searching, they might not accept it unless your profile is fully set up. So, go to your profile first, enter your email address and phone number, and verify both. If you skip this, your domain request might fail. Once that's done, click on Confirm and Claim. You'll get an email saying it's under review, and it usually gets accepted shortly after. Once accepted, you'll see your domain listed as active along with an expiry date. Now that you have your free domain, you need a hosting service. For this, we're going to use Zoho Mail. Why Zoho? First, they give you 5 GB of storage for free. Second, they allow you to add a custom domain. That means we can connect the exact domain we just claimed from Ready straight into Zoho to get our professional email. Let's go back to Google, search for Zoho Mail, and click the first link. From there, click on Pricing. Scroll down to Additional Purchases, and you'll spot the forever free plan. Click on Sign Up Now. A Sign Up for Zoho Workplace page will pop up. Select Business Email. Enter your name, email address, and a password. Then click Verify. You'll receive an OTP in your email. Enter that OTP, and you'll be greeted with a Welcome to Zoho Mail screen. Next, look for Add an existing domain and click the Add Now button. When it asks for your existing domain name, just copy the domain you claimed from Ready and paste it here. Enter an organization name and select your industry. Then click Add Now. You'll see a congratulations. Your domain has been successfully added message. Now, click Proceed to Domain Verification. Pay close attention here, because if you don't do this DNS mapping, you won't be able to send or receive any emails. First, it asks us to create a TXT record. Head over to your Ready DNS records. Select TXT as the record type. Copy the value Zoho gives you, paste it into the content field, and click the plus icon to add it. Go back to Zoho and hit Verify TXT record. You should see a message saying your domain ownership is verified. Now, you need to create your actual login email address. This can be anything you want, like info at, contact at, or business at. I'm going with info and clicking create. You'll see the email has been created. By default, it might show your personal name. If you don't want your name showing up when you send official emails, just go to Edit, change the display name, and click Save Changes. Next, click Proceed to set up groups. If you have a larger team, you can create groups and assign moderation powers here. Since I'm the only user for this organization right now, I'll just skip this and proceed to DNS mapping. This next step is critical for receiving emails. Zoho will give you a list of record types, hosts, and values. Just like we did with the TXT record, head back to your ready.bd DNS settings. Select MX as the type. For the host or name, use the @ symbol, copy the value from Zoho and paste it in. For priority, type in 10. Click the plus icon. Do this exact same process for the remaining records Zoho asks for, paying close attention to any different host names. Once all the records are added, wait about 5 to 10 seconds, then click Verify All Records. It should show that everything is verified. Our technical setup is fully done. Just keep clicking Proceed through the final steps until you reach your admin console. There you'll see your connected domain, your user account, and your available licenses. Finally, let's test our new inbox. Search for Zoho Mail on Google, go to the login page, and sign in. Use the exact business email you just created, for example, info@kalyanparunas.pro.bd and your Zoho password. Once you're in, let's send a test mail. I'm sending a quick email to my personal Gmail account. Subject: Marathon Let's Run. And there it is. The email just arrived in my inbox. It is working perfectly. So, that is exactly how you can create a free professional business email that will definitely elevate your professional life. If you found today's video helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment if you run into any issues. That's it for today. Thank you so much, and Assalamu alaikum.